Hi, this is Gwen Foster. I want to talk about arterial health and circulation and vascular issues. Hannah Kroger had a super great protocol I've been using for almost 20 years for arterial health. It's basically an herbal chelation. It's a combination of CircuFlow and aloe vera juice, pure aloe vera juice. And a lot of people have warning signs of circulation or vascular issues way before they have a heart attack or stroke. Sometimes it's as simple as high blood pressure, even though that can be multiple underlying issues like kidney issues and too much salt, bad diet, things like that. But I have a book here that is like my natural health Bible. It's her Help One Another. This book is for sale. It's $55, and it really goes into the details of the underlying causes of ill health. But in the arterial section, I want to read the symptoms because these are things that are important to know to be preventative for any heart health issues or arterial vascular issues. So some of the common symptoms that people could have way before they have a serious issue is morning pain in the middle of the sternum, shoulder pain on either side, tightness in the chest, high blood pressure, asthma or breathing issues, and it could be just like walking upstairs could make you very winded. That would be a sign of arterial issues. Diabetes, hair in the ears, this is usually more of a men issue, swelling ankles, purple veins on the nose, and these are little spider veins that are noticeable like to the naked eye. That's a sign of arterial issues. So are varicose veins. If you think about varicose veins and their blockage, and then people go yank them out surgically, I personally think that's very stupid because you just took out blood flow to your feet. You just took out the way that blood gets to the lower extremities, which that does not make sense to me. The varicose veins are visible to the naked eye in the lower legs, usually, sometimes in the thighs, but it's a sign of what your veins are doing throughout your body. People don't just get varicose veins in their legs. They have then varicosity everywhere, and that should be addressed. Forgetfulness, especially short-term memory stuff, tired after meals, a persistent feeling of weakness. Now this could be anemia, but it can also just be vascular issues. Coldness, like cold hands and feet, tingling or burning in the toes or feet. This could be a kidney sign as well, but generally if the feet are tingling or burning, it's a sign of poor circulation. Pain in the calves that improves after sleep, sleeplessness or restlessness, like trying to sleep, sores or bruises on the ankles or feet. Sometimes people will look at their ankles and they'll look kind of bruised or purplish. That's because of the veins, like varicose veins. Blurred or darkened vision, and this can come and go. Like someone can have like vision that's bad, vision that's good. Sometimes they need glasses, sometimes they don't. This could also be because of circulation. Noises in the head, and this could be crackling, popping, whizzing, ringing. Dizziness, and a lot of times the dizziness is like when someone first stands up, but it can also be dizziness like with heat or any kind of dizziness. Sudden spells of hearing loss, so this could be sometimes people's hearing again changes like vision, because this has to do with blood flow to the brain. This has to do with how well someone's getting blood flow to the brain. Right shoulder pain over left shoulder pain indicates a problem with the first chamber of the heart. Pain down the left arm, down to the little finger. Sometimes this can be numbness or tingling or pain. Sliding or shuffling footsteps, you kind of would know this because you're tripping more often. You're kind of not picking up your feet to walk and you're just kind of shuffling along. That's a sign. A crease in the earlobe. So if you look at your earlobe in the mirror on both sides, there'll be like a wrinkle or crease, and sometimes it's deep and very noticeable on either earlobe. And this I do see in more men than women, but it would be in the same spot of the ear right here where people generally have a piercing, but it's a wrinkle or crease that goes all the way across. If you have that in one or both ears, then it's a sign of you needing some vascular help. And a crease in the nose, that can be like also looks like a wrinkle or a crease. Some people think that's like just the way their nose is, but it's actually a sign of cardiovascular issues. Any problems with the lymph, liver, gallbladder, kidneys, or prostate can be arterial issues. Many times after a prostate protocol, I recommend people do the arterial detox because that area of the body in men and women is also affected with circulation. So if people have erectile dysfunction issues, low libido, can't have an orgasm, things like that, it's usually because of poor circulation. And then there's a lot of things that weaken the cardiovascular system, such as smoking, a very acidic diet, a lot of chemicals, toxins, and things like that. So there's a lot of things that mess with our cardiovascular system, and also anemia. Anemia can cause cardiovascular issues because of blood flow, and anemia gives us oxygen and gives us support to the hemoglobin. So those are all super important. The protocol is Hannah CircuFlow with aloe vera juice. I have information under this video on how to order those products if you want to do an arterial detox. If you prefer to have a private consultation, please contact me. Thank you.